Hello everyone, welcome back to Board Express PCM. In this video, we are going to be master in our second topic electrostatic potential due to an electric dipole. In this video, we will know about first electric potential due to an electric dipole, second at perpendicular bisector of dipole, third at an axial point of a dipole. So let's start from our first topic electric potential due to an electric dipole. Electric potential due to an electric dipole at any point P inclined at an angle theta whose position vector is r and point of dipole is given by V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta upon r. Due to short dipole, a very smaller r is given by V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P r cap upon r square. Electrostatic potential on the perpendicular bisector due to an electric dipole. V is equal to 0. Derivation of electric potential at an equatorial point of dipole. V equal V minus Q plus V plus Q. V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon under root R square plus A square plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon under root R square plus A square. V equal 0. Electrostatic potential at an axial point of a dipole is given by V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square minus A square. For a short dipole, R is very small a, V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square. Derivation of electric potential at an axial point of a dipole. V equal V minus Q plus V plus Q. V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q R plus A plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus A. V equal Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2A upon R square minus A square. V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square minus A square, where P equal QQA. Hence prove for a short dipole R is very little a, V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square. You can also see its graph. Difference between electric potential of a dipole and a point charge. V dipole first depend on angle, second cylindrically symmetric, third V dipole is inversely proportional to 1 upon R square. V point first not depend on angle, second is spherically symmetric, third V point is inversely proportional to 1 upon R.